Hi everyone. Am I audible to you all guys? Guys, paper is done. I know you all are traveling. You are going back to your home. But कैसा था paper? How is the paper? Just give me a thumbs up if you all can see the screen and listen to me properly. I know paper is done. You are going back to your rooms, hotels, wherever you stay. Just feel relaxed. This is a first impression of the paper. Like, how was the paper? इज इट इजी, इज इट मॉडरेट, और जो हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि लास्ट टू पैटर्न्स फॉलो हो रहे हैं, या the way all the PSCs are changing the pattern of the questions and the paper. So क्या राजस्थान में भी चेंज हुआ है? We will just discuss that in a glance. आप लोग जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर लो and just give me a thumbs up. Yeah, thank you, Sarthak. The paper was moderate. Yes, the paper was moderate. It is quite practical based and it is very lengthy as well, I can say. If we compare the paper from 2019 and 2021, the paper today is quite lengthy and time consuming. Yes, guys. आप लोग बताओ कैसा था पेपर? Sarthak has given his opinion. What about other guys? I'm just waiting so few more students can join. I know you all are traveling, you all are going back, but the first step you all had taken, that you have given the paper. So now you are coming back, you will check your answer key, the expected cutoff. There are many questions in your mind going on about the paper. So we all are solving here. This is just a first impression video. How was the paper? And paper solving will be done in a while. The team is working on it. We will start that as well after this video concluded. So guys, please join fast. See, this is the basic information you all are aware about, that the total number of questions, 100 question thing, no negative marking. So I think I assume and safely assume that you all have marked all the 100 questions by whatever means you know the answer, or by answer elimination technique, or which answer suits the most. So I hope you all have marked all the 100 questions, right? Timing is 2 hours, so you have enough time, more than 1 minute for a question. So you have enough time. If you know the concept, only 10 to 20 seconds are required. But जो आज का पेपर था, it is quite lengthy. The illustrations are on a para base. The options are also 2 to 3 lines option are there. So reading that, understanding that, it is time consuming. Yes. Then difficulty level, it is moderate, and I can say more to moderate. Not actually difficult, but it is more than moderate. Guys, please share your experiences as well. I will love to hear that. Okay, Arya is saying it was weird question paper. Okay, okay, ही गया है मेरा तो. Arya, we have seen these dynamic changes in Delhi, in MP, and in Haryana as well. So we can expect these dynamic changes in the paper more frequently right now. And on 1st of July, we have 3 new criminal laws implementing. So then after, these questions will be more dynamic, more conceptual and application based, not just direct section based or case law based. There are many case laws based questions in today's paper as well, but those are not landmark one, I can say. Yes. Guys, come on. Then this is basic analysis, and this is subject wise analysis. See, CPC is the most dynamic and most asked subject in this year paper. There are the highest number of questions are asked from CPC. So that is required procedural understanding, and the questions were also application based. In CRPC, we have moderate mostly questions, and the practical questions were also asked in CRPC. In IPC also we have lengthier questions this time. The questions are easy, but those are lengthier and in a para based form. I can say it is a para based, so 4 to 5 lines question and then having 2 to 3 lines of options. Reading that, it will take more than 1 minute, and to understand the question, it will take 1 to 2 minutes as well. So IPC is the lengthier part. Then in contract, we have conceptual based question. This contract very few questions. In evidence also we have seen 7 to 8 questions. Hindi and English, as usual, they ask from PYQs. So those are easy one. Not easy one, but yeah, that is doable. So we have done the subject wise bifurcation with you. So in evidence we have 7 question. In CRPC we have 9 question. CPC, the game changer, I can say, it has 14 questions, guys. Yes, thank you, Arya, for your input. CPC is the most game changing, I can say, subject in this paper, because in CPC we have a very dynamic questions, and all the questions are pertaining. There is matching based question, direct question, precepts. So everything is asked. In SRA we have 1 question, TPA we have 3 questions, Rent Control Act we have 2 questions. Then Constitution we have few case laws based question. In interpretation iOS we have uh, maxims based question, then Offenders Act, DV Act, JJ Act. So all the questions, like the balance of the paper was, I would say, like it is distributed due to CPC weightage. IPC there are 10 question. IPC, the questions in IPC were quite easy, but the thing is it is application based, and the application based question are in paragraph based form. I am again saying the para based format because the questions are of 6 to 7 line even. So reading that, then understanding the concept, and then going to options. Options is of also 2 to 3 lines. So that is why IPC is time taking, same as CPC. Then guys, cut off abhi bhi the team is going into it, because the team is solving the paper. So we are into it, but the feedbacks which we are getting from our internal students, from the faculties who have appeared for the paper, so they are also saying the paper is time consuming. So in 2019 the cutoff was around 60, in 2021 it was around 72, but this time the cutoff will remain same, and it will be go around 68 to 72 for general. It may vary, but owing to the paper, the difficulty level of the paper, it can be safely assumed that it is around 68 to 72 general expected cutoff. Guys, anything which you want to say, which you want to share with us, like how do you feel the paper was? The disrupted past year papers pattern is changed. I can understand. The level of question is also increased. Previously, it was just bare section based. If a person who has gone through only section to section, the title of the section, the numbers of the section, so that person can easily attempt 50 to 60% of the paper. But this time, this won't work. If a person is well aware with the concept, if he has a detailed knowledge of the particular section or order or article, then only he or she can attempt the paper. It is not easy one, I can say. Right? And because Rajasthan High Court is very efficient in conducting the paper, so the result will be also announced within a few days. It won't take a month or a 2 month. The result will be also out within a few days. Then we have question tapping data. The team is working on this as well. So we will discuss this in our paper analysis sheet, where we will be solving the paper and giving you the answers, what answer can be, what will be the actual answers of the question. So we will be the solving paper in next session, which is scheduled quite half an hour or 1 hour later. So in that we will be joining again. We will be doing a paper solving session for you guys, so that you can just right now you can relax yourself, just be have some drinks, have some breakfast. As I know, paper the reporting time was 9 p.m., so you guys have rushed to the center early. So take your lunch, have something to eat, just pacify yourself, and then we will be doing the paper solving session, right? So guys, the only quote for you is, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. And the second portion, you have to be start to be great, that you guys already have started to do something great to yourself and to the society as well, by becoming a judge, a future judge, I would say. So you have already started into that journey. Just believe in it, have faith in you, and you will all be doing wonders in life, right? So we will be meeting again in the paper solving session within a while. Just relax yourself. All the best, guys. Guys,